Hey guys, hi there, welcome to this video. It's Femi here, and today we are going to be making Bantu knots. My hair is already divided because I was experimenting something on my hair. I'm going to be using water. I'm going to be using this thing right here. I know it doesn't look pretty. I mean, this is just a white plate looking boring and whatever, but I promise you that what is in here will blow your mind. Actually, it's not going to blow your mind. It's just oatmeal. Not oatmeal, it's oat gel. If you want to know how I make it, I'm going to put the link here. No, I think it's here. No, it's going to be but I'm using it to make my bantu knot, so you guys know I like this thing. Anyway, before we get into this video, if you're excited to be here, press that thumbs up button. I promise you'll feel nice and happy. I'll feel nice and happy actually. So please do that and then subscribe. So for the first type of bantu knot that I'm going to show you, what I'm going to do is twist my hair first. And when I'm doing this style of bantu knot, I don't like to make the roots too firm, because with bantu knots you're going to roll your hair. So if the root is already too tight, it's just going to make the tension unbearable. So I like to just braid. I like to just twist it in a loose manner. And once it's to the end, of course, do the rolly thingy. And then if you twist it again in your hand, you're going to see that it's getting tighter. Can you see it's getting tighter? This is why I don't like to put a lot of tension on the roots when I'm twisting it already. When you're rolling it by itself, it's going to start doing this. So you just want to follow the path it is taking and twist. Now, if your hair is long, or if it is like my hair or longer, give space at the base, because you're going to be rolling it. And you don't want the tension to be too much. So just give space at the base. And then roll like that. Till there, that's that.
It's KGB.
Hello people, we are done with this section and we are looking funny. That's just it, we are looking funny. But that's the thing about bantu knots. Yeah, I'm about to look like a full-fledged Simbi. Water. So basically you're finger coiling it. You don't have to finger coil to the end. Once you just finger coil to about half of your hair, these circles will start to form. So you just take one, hold it, and then begin to roll the hair in. Roll the other section of the hair under the bantu knot, and then keep going. I like to make the initial hole high, because I know that the back of my hair is long, so like the rolling is a lot and I don't want it to be too harsh on my hair. Look at how firm it is. Hey, look at the hair. I actually like it. Lord. Hey guys, I'm saying hey guys again. Anyway, we are done with the tutorial. So this is going to be the end of the video. Anyway, so this is going to be the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to click the thumbs up button, exercise your thumbs, click that like button, subscribe so you do not miss more videos, and turn on your post notifications. God, look at my face. This thing is going to flake so bad. Like, look at the particles on my face. I've used oat on my hair before and that baby flaked, but it was not so difficult to wash out. Anyway, thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.